On this episode of Bad into Fab, we are taking this ugly desk and turning it into a wonderful shabby chic masterpiece. Number 1. Put on your safety goggles and your gloves. Step number 2. Using a sander with a high-grade sanding paper, 800 or 1000, sand going with the grain of your table. Going with the grain helps to eliminate scratches and marks on the wood that are unwanted. The reason for sanding a previously furnished piece is to get some of the grime off, as well as making the smooth surface porous. When the smooth surface turns porous, your adhesive or your paint is easier to put on and it stays on longer without chipping. Step 3. After you fully sand your project, you're going to want to use a terry cloth and get all the dirt and dust off. You may also use a microfiber towel or rag mixed with TSP. For paint, I used Dunn Edwards Suprema Semi-Gloss in Cool December. Using a synthetic brush, go ahead and paint your furniture piece. Don't worry about lines at the beginning. You will be doing multiple coats which will cover up those lines. I try and paint with the grain. That way, if there are lines at the end, they look natural. I'm just waiting for it to dry. I have done 2 coats on the top and 3 coats on the base. I have just painted the front of the drawer 1 coat, so I have to go back and do another couple of coats on that. You want to wait at least 20 to 30 minutes in between each coat. If you paint before the coat dries, it can actually remove some of the paint. Now, step 5 is the fun part. You can go to your local store or Hobby Lobby and pick out a fun handle to put on your drawer. And there you go, you're all done. Now you have a beautiful desk. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a old ugly desk look like a brand new shabby chic desk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you next time.